Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is our Tuesday, 10th of September 2024. Well, I'm Dukas Copy's trading community member, so you might be confusing me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. No, I'm not their employee. I'm just a member of the community who is trading with the Dukas Copy J Forex 4. All the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here, they are of my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. And in the quick time, I will be covering the critical level for inversion, or I will say inflation. That is the prices from sorry, the areas from where the prices can reverse. That is what we are going to discuss. And in this discussion we will be using the candlestick type of charts. We will not talk about any news or events. We will only focus ourselves on the charts, and for this purpose we'll be using candlestick type of charts. In the process we'll try to find out the key levels, and we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. Now, before I start this webinar, I must tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge. It has, okay, I mean, please do your own research before you put your money on the line, real money on the line. You can do paper trading if you want to, but I will request you to not to trade with the real money. And I'm not a trading advisor, so please watch this video only to increase your knowledge. With that said, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer. On your screen right now is the standard risk disclaimer that is associated with trading on the margin money. You can pause the video here if you want, and then when you're comfortable, know what is the risk, then you can hop on to the chart. Let's go to the charts. Today I will be covering it very quickly so that we don't waste any time here. On your screen right now is the daily US dollar index, and we are expecting the prices to go down. If the price for some reason makes a higher high than 101.84, then we will be looking for higher prices. Okay, till the time it is not making any higher high than 101.84, we will be only looking for the selling opportunities. All right, now somebody might be thinking that what is this going on here? This is nothing going on. Okay, this is only for finding out the general direction of the markets. Okay, now it looks like that the US dollar was going down. This may be a retracement. If the price does not take up or the trade above 101.84, it can be seen as a retracement. But if it starts trading above 101.84, it may be seen as a buying opportunity. But the problem here is that this is not actual swing high. If you ask me why, because when the price was making lower highs and lower lows, after this high there was not lower low made. So this is actually not the actual swing high. Actual swing high is 103.33. I hope you get the idea. So we are looking for only selling opportunities. Even if the price rises from here, we're looking for the selling opportunities till the time the price does not break above this level. I hope now that makes even. What about the pound? Similar is the case with the pound. We are not looking for selling opportunities in the pound till the time it is not breaking below 1.2664. But since it has gone so high to this level, any rise above taking this liquidity and falling will offer an opportunity to go short with a target of at least 1.2664 when it will come to retest this level. Now, with that said, I'm not expecting actually any sell-off, huge sell-off in this one, although, but still, price can fall if the US dollar has to go all the way to 103.33. Then the price in the pound can fall. What extent it can fall? 1.2664 is the support. On the upside there is a resistance of 1.3298. Now one thing that I want to specify here is that the currencies with the yen crosses are actually moving rather than the majors. I think yen crosses are moving in a much better way if you want to trade this week. Okay, now see what is happening in the euro is breaking this structure here to the downside and is also creating a fair value gap at the same time. If you want to take it from this candle, then also it is fine. If you exclude Sunday's candle, then also it is fine. There is a fair value gap. That means this push down is very fast on the daily chart, and we can expect 1.0949 very soon on this chart. Again, we are looking for the higher prices only, but this may be a small counter trend move towards 1.0945. So what are actually we are expecting? I'll show you on the daily what we are expecting. Okay, on the daily we are expecting something like this, but that thing should happen above above this line, this is 1.0949. I am expecting something like this above 1.0949. Why? Because if the price breaks below 1.0945, then it will be a market structure break. Actually, the market structure break, okay, this is swing high only. It has traded this fair value gap, so it is perfect for changing the market structure 1.094. Okay, the price has to keep trading above this and then break higher towards 1.1275 if this channel breaks on the upside. What about the Australian dollar? These currencies are not moving very fast, although we have talked about it that there is a possibility. Guys, what about the New Zealand dollar here? New Zealand dollar has closed the day below the fair value gap. Not the fair value gap, it was actually a bearish order block. And the price, if it goes inside this, I think that will be a very good area of opportunity to go short in this one. Although also the yesterday the price had closed below 0.6154, which is actually opening up the way for 0.5974 in this market. So keep an eye on this also. USD CHF, although we are looking for the lower prices in the USD CHF, but see yesterday it has closed the day higher than this fair value gap. Now it is inversing this fair value gap to the downside, and then it is now inversing or using the same fair value gap to the upside. So I am expecting the prices towards 0.8538, but I will rather say don't trade this market. Why don't trade this market? Because we are looking for the downward prices, whereas it is right now trading into the support area. So stay away from this one. USD CAD, I talked about it that we are looking for the higher prices in this market. If you want to check on the hourly, you will see if the price breaks higher. Well, anyways, anything, everything is now said and done. So we have the first target at 1.3621. Thereafter, we have target at 1.3787. On the way down, there's no good swing high except this high here. This looks like a swing high. I'm marking that. That may be a potential target 1.3739. That may be a potential target. Okay. What about the USD JPY? Only selling and selling. Guys, why is this happening? Well, it closed the day below this crucial level. Then it started retesting this yesterday. Today it is selling off from the same level. What is the potential target in this one, guys? 140.24 is the minimum target for me. I am saying 140.24 is the minimum that I'm targeting. I'm targeting lower prices, and in the lower prices, I will say this low here and also this low here, 137.23. Thereafter we will be targeting this low here, but as of now I think 137 and 138, these are the two levels that I'm targeting. The minimum is 140 because from there it can actually go higher because there was all these longs built up. Now if these stop losses are triggered, that means there is a possibility of huge sell-off from here, and it can take the prices towards the level of 129 also. So I don't think that it is going to break just like that. 140 is not going to break just like that. Maybe there will be a pullback, so I don't want to keep that be a part of that pullback. So I want to book my profits as soon as possible. What about the Bitcoin here? Yesterday or in the last week actually, we said that those who have longs in the Bitcoin, they should pull off and get out. Anytime there may be a huge sell-off in the Bitcoin very soon. Now currently price is trading at 57,370. Now it looks like that the price is going higher with the fair value gap. Now that doesn't look good to me. Okay, although this is a very short block, the price should not go and close higher than this high of 59,834. So I think ideally the price should not go higher than this, but it may go once again to trade this fair value gap, because there is a resistance also, there's a fair value gap also. I think we have multiple reasons. This is an order block also, so we have multiple reasons to go above these highs and test this area, this red area, before falling off. Let's see what how the things unfold. The rigid resistance, if you ask me, it is here around 65,061, and on the way down the price was okay. So that is the only resistance as of now. The potential support is around 49,308. Brent trading at 69.35. Is this the target that we were looking for? 69 point something. Okay, this is not, this is the one. So we had a target around 69.33. Oh, the price has not traded that. Thereafter we had a 65 point. Okay, we can I think mark these two lows together, or these three lows together. because they are on the similar area. 64.60, I think we should be targeting in this one. Guys, those who are not with me, I don't know about them, but for those who are with me, we have been selling the crude oil from here, from these levels, from these levels, 86.36. If you don't believe me, go and check my webinar of 13th of July. What about gold? Gold is still churning. It is not going anywhere. It is not going anywhere. Believe me, it is not going anywhere. So if it is not going anywhere, we are not going to trade this. Euro JPY, lower prices are inevitable in this one. 153.17 is what I am expecting. After a close below this level of 158.08, I think we should be looking for resistance over here with the target of 153.17. Why I'm not targeting this low? Because this is definitely going to be taken over, and then the price can go and stop at 153.17. What is GBPAUD doing? Has it started an up move? Yes. Can it go to 1.9968? We will see till Friday what happens. Okay. What is the potential support, guys? 1.9502. What is the potential resistance? 1.9968. CHF 166.80 is definitely going to come in this market. Now I should not say with this much of surety, but yes, there is a selling, and the selling may stop once the price reaches 166.80. It should actually test that, and then it should start rising if it has to. Although I'm looking for the lower prices towards the level of these lows. Why? Because these are two equal lows and their potential liquidity, and the market drives towards the liquidity. I think this is the level. 162.12 is what you should be targeting, but this week you can target 166.80. Or the New Zealand, well, it is also churning just like gold. It is going nowhere, it is just staying there only. Gas, we are looking for the lower prices. Yesterday we have traded bearish and bearish engulfing as well as a bearish pin bar, and now it is trading this volume imbalance. I think the price will go and test oh yeah, I think the lows, I mean the downside is more here than the upside. But this is looking like an inverse head and shoulder pattern. If the price goes higher and then closes a day above, then only it will be a valid breakout. Right now it looks like just a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder in the formation. EuroCAD, well, we are looking for the lower prices, but after a retest of this fair value gap. So let's see how the things unfold in this one also, guys. The strict resistance is 1.5043. Somebody will see this resistance breaking as a signal to open longs. Maybe people would like to open their longs here and then get trapped here. So this is what I would like to see, people getting trapped here and the price going towards 1.4576. All right, Ethereum. Okay. This fair value gap is filled. The prices may be going higher to trade this order block. Right now I'm not sure, okay, where it is going, but this 2117 is definitely going to be taken in this one. When? I don't know. Maybe this week, maybe next week. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me those right now. And if not, then I would like to wrap up my session by saying that I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that will be of importance in the coming hours and days. Just remember, risk only less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade. And if you're not sure, then look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now, it means that essentially you have to adjust your position size in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1% of your equity. Now, if you keep this and you do 100 trades, you will be very, very profitable, believe me. So please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And if possible, please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars if you are new here. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.